Hello everybody! Welcome to another video on my channel. Today I'm kind of doing a mock video about this Lego singing place, I guess. Anyways, so it's a really cool build. I made a stop motion video about it, so you should definitely check that out. I am also doing tutorials on how to build the furniture in here because I didn't want to make the two videos because if you had seen the stop motion, you should check it out. It really showed a lot of this mock anyways, and I did not want to prolong a tutorial streak that I'm going to be doing, and the stop motion will come after. That has to do with the tutorial streak. Before I will be touring this happy house, so that's just a quick look to kind of get you hooked to watch it when I will post it. So I can't wait to post it. It will be a cool tour. But let's just take a look around and kind of at this build. So as you can see, we have a nice piano, a drum set, a dude singing with a microphone, and a guitar, another dude with a guitar on a bit of more of a bigger platform and a huge microphone. We have two speakers, and it's really cool. I use the tires for their speakers. We have this little wall to kind of give the people that are coming a bit of more privacy, or so they don't get awkward, I guess, start coming into where all their fans are standing. So that's just kind of making them have to go through this door that has two cheese slopes on it to kind of be doorknobs, although it doesn't shut completely because of this result, but that I think it looks a bit better anyways. We of course have the bell, and it shows on there too. And we have the sub button. I can remove the sub button. It was also on my chair tutorial, and this was on my table tutorial, this bell. We have the door there. We can just remove it. And of course we can even remove this. So it's a very removable thing. By the way, if you were wondering what this was, this is my phone stand that I've been using. I just kind of took it out so I could show you. So let's just put it back in and let's start building. So I do want to start with the drum set because I think it's a really cool thing. So you're going to want a 2x4 brick, doesn't matter the color, just to kind of be a seat. And in front of that somewhere, you want two of these, not bricks. I chose yellow. It doesn't matter. And just a normal, normal 1x2 brick, sticking two plates on. By doing that, you want to then get a 1x4 plate, place it on top, and get a nozzle piece, doesn't matter which color, a stud with a hole in the middle, and then a 2x4 circular plate, just like that. Get another one, place it there. I know that one's brown, that one's white. I could have maybe matched it with gray, I don't know. And, well, I do know, I could have probably switched that. Anyways, then you want another one of these pieces and the same, but this in a brick form. Just place it like that, and you can do the same, but with the more jaggedy cylinder bricks. It looks really cool. Might look a bit better in my opinion, but you can use both, and you can use different colors. In order to build the thing that they hit, you want this almost rocket, like bottom of a rocket piece, I think. It looks like for the stand. Get a, this is a, 1x4 pole. Stick it in that hole. Get a 2x2 dish. Place it like that. And then a stud. You could do a metallic color. Of course, this could be golden. I don't have a golden dish. I never really thought about it. I'm also more of going for a green drum set. But let's keep building. Oh, sorry, I forgot. You want these two 1x3 poles also to be as the drumsticks, so he can play the drums. So I don't believe I lined the drums up perfectly, but whatever. So to build a guitar, I use this in a lot of my music builds, but this is my first music build I posted on my channel, but I have made others, and this guitar I have used for a lot. So let's build it. So what you want to do is you want to start with a 2x3 plate, a 2x2 circular plate there, a jumper plate, and then a 2x3 plate. Of course, you can use whatever colors you want, but whatever this this color plate is, it might be nice to match it. Doesn't matter though. Really, just go how you want to make your guitar color. Although the stud on the back should probably match the same color because it just probably should. And you might be asking, why is there a stud here? Because otherwise, he has to stick his hand out to hold it, and the stud there just makes it a lot more easier for him to hold. So then you want this, like, I almost called them a plunger piece. They kind of look like a plunger. And then this clip, 1x1 with the clip. This is, I think, a best lock piece, so it's a bit more round. Of course, it works the exact same, pretty much, though it's more boxy with a normal Lego 1x1 plate with the clip on top. But, you know, that's how I chose to use this one. And for this microphone, it is so simple. All I used was this, I am going to say a bus handle piece because that's what I used it for in a set I got. And so I think it's just like, I don't know, it's like a bus pole or something. And then this little nozzle piece. And that's how you build that. And then very simply, just a 1x2 brick and a 1x2 plate matching the same color can go right in front of that microphone and make a really nice extra stage piece. So let us build the piano. Back to the MOC part for a second. I think even with my stop motion, I accidentally let this stage hang off a bit at the back, but it's really supposed to line up, so that's why his thing's actually supposed to be there. But let's build the piano like I promised, and that'll be so fun. You want to start with a 1x4 plate, and you might be asking why. It's just going to be loose. That's the point. Stick your minifigure like here or something, or there. And this is just a stand to keep him at level with this so that his mouth matches this same height as his microphone. But let's really just build this. So starting with these two slope pieces, yeah. Then getting a 2x6 plate rather. Gray works fine, black would work fine, any color works fine. Be creative with your pianos. Now what you want to do is you want to alternate white and black. 1x2 plates, and in order to build the microphone, you will want to take a 1x2 plate, a 1x2 jumper plate, and in the little insert there, this is a mega block piece, so it does have an insert, you will want to place a nozzle. Of course, if you don't have one with a hole in it, you can just do that, but I think this way looks a lot good. The same thing will happen with a newer Lego jumper piece. It just won't go down the whole way, which I think this doesn't even go down the whole way, so it might be, I think it's fine either way. But let's finally build this piece. 1x4 brick, 1x2 brick in gray, 1x2 brick in gray with a Technic hole in it, Technic tube. Wheel, then tire. Stack two black 2x2 bricks. Do the exact same step as you did on the bottom. Place it like that, and then get a 1x2 slope in black. And there you have a really nice speaker. You can roll them on the ground. You can do a lot of stuff with them. And like always, do sub, hit the bell, share, comment, like, and I will see you guys in the next video.